Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. Everybody love Kung Fu fighting. Today video, let's watch some Kung Fu fighting and learning some Kung Fu and have some fun. Let's go. Welcome back. Today video is about the Eagle Kung Fu. So Eagle Club, make your hand like this. This is eagle hand, and also the 3-star eagle hand like this, of course with punches and palms. So let's watch some Kung Fu fighting clips. I will explaining move by move, step by step, let you understand how to use eagle Kung Fu technique to defend and attack. Jumping side kick, landing and connect to spinning hook kick. Great movement, jumping side kick. Jumping side kick, you run to the target and you jump in the air and use your all power and speed to kick to the target. It's a very powerful movement. So the first move you need to know is the side kick. So you both hand on somewhere you can attach to, put your weight and you go knee lift. And you kick to the side way. So you kick the side out of the line from the right to left. So this is the right way. Boom. Straight line from A and to B. A and B. A and B. If you kick the wrong direction, it doesn't apply as much power as the straight line. So this is the side kick. So now we're going to jumping side kick. Okay. Let's start jumping side kick. Jumping side kick. Let's leave your left knee. So just jump your right. You touch out and you jump straight. So that's the first move. And then same. You put a hand somewhere. You can jump because your body have to lean this way. You can make good side kick. So you go jump. You say your movement in the air will be lean to this way and you go punch the knees. So once you have this and you go boom kick. That's the jumping side kick. 1, 2. So that's how you do jumping side kick. 1 shot. So after the jumping kick, we are connected to spinning hook kick. So hook like this, spinning a little bit, and this is a great power and swing like this. The hook kick is similar. Swing go this way, your step go right, and you go turning. Your eye can feel the target or see the target, and you lift your knees and swing. Make that hook kick. Eagle straight strike, eagle side strike. Beautiful eagle Kung Fu hand technique. Straight strike and side strike. So once you go straight, your hand from the chest straight and boom. That is a straight start hand. It's really powerful. You can attack the eye and nose. Boom, right between and the side. Boom, just like you go up. Your hand from behind with big circle and rotate your waist. Boom, with the power to go attack the side way. Upper strike, blocking, blocking, and block. That is a beautiful and useful movement for blocking, but also the upper strike from the top. Strike this way. Also, you can strike by this way. I think both way is great and useful. Body weight from the top and go down. Really attack the head, or you can attack the shoulder and push down. Also, you can use this way. Your body turn back and from the top and go back. Look like you escape or this way, and you come back to attack the height. Small note for the blocking, you don't make your hand move too big. With this big circle, doesn't work. Because someone attack you will be really quick. Your hand just small to blocking and attack back. And that is enough. Let's go to the next one. Eagle grappling and eagle block. Eagle grappling is a very effective technique. If someone punches you, you go blocking and turn circle and go grappling very hard, and pull back and attack back. And now we're talking about eagle blocking. So someone punches you, you go blocking this way or you're blocking this way and you can attack back. Eagle attack from low to high, and blocking for left, straight attack, straight circle hand, and strike by left hand. So the attack from low to high is a great technique. Both hands cross, your body turns this way and go attack from low to high. So and then you can connect to straight attack, like 1 and 1, 2. Straight attack, move your body to the side, outside of your opponents, and you go attack back with this way. So the first straight movement, your both hand becomes straight star, eagle kung fu hand, and attack from your waist, and you just extend and boom, power out and switch. So you can train with this repeatedly, and your right hand on the top and rotate, and you go step. Same times you are on, so you're step, your left hand on top and open the eagle's wing. Fight. So high step to your left side, left hand behind, and right hand on front. Ready? So go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. After this, you both hand come back to your waist. You step your left, you both hand from left, big circle, and come back your right side, and you go attack straight. Go this side. Both hand come back your waist. You make a big circle, come back your right, and you attack double eagle hand and double power. Attacking and come back can be big or small, depends the way you're training. So I will say speed is the key. It's the key. As long as you fast with your double hand, that's it. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. So after this one, you step your right and both hand, you go attack back from top and go down. And this one at the top, and you go strike and go down this way. It's very powerful. And you go like this. And ready, go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And 1 and 2 and 3. So as soon as you get this, you both hand after reverse and come back. You step your right hand on the top of your head, and left hand from your waist, and you go push with the power. Shoot. Same time you become boom. Both steps. Attack. Clearly you go attack and you come back quick and you go attack by this way. So this hand reverse, make a circle from left to right and top of your right hand, and you go boom, attack the shoot and go continue. And get ready. So go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9. Great work. So after number 9, you both hand cross and you go face together. You both hand, right hand on the top, left hand and behind for you, and you go stay down and look at left side. Heel up, toe point right there, and bend your left knee, and you go down. This is Dingzibu, and you open your wing of your eagle clap. Work. Let's keep training. Attention. And ready. Go. 1, 2, 3, 3. Go. 1, 2, 3. Come back. Attack. And go. Cross. And eagle. After this, you step your left hand from your waist, and you go circle this way, and you make a inside. Your right hand from top, and you go strike down. Your right knee and go down on the floor. So the inside kick, also called spinning kick. So you should do kick right here and go Go down with your eagle clutch. I love the eagle kung fu kicks very much. Let's continue from the beginning. Let's get ready. Attention, more training and more better. Ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and go. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Go. And 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After this, you both hand crossing, make circle. So step and side kick like that. You both hand crossing like circle, boom, cross, and go knee left, kick, and come 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, kick harder, 1, 2, harder. Yes, that's great. So let's continue. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10, 11, and go 1, 2. After 1 and kick. You step your left, you step your right, you face to this way, you swing your arm, and you jump your right. And you go kick, down, and kick straight, right, and left, and go step, and push, up, and both hands from your waist, and here. It's fun to teaching you, so follow me for one last time. Get ready, attention, ready, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, go! 14, and 1, 2, and kick, 2, and stop your right, jumping kick, down, 1, 2, 3, high. That's all for today, my friend. So, learning movement only the first step. If you want to have good kung fu, you need to pay your time and energy repeatedly and training to make the best you can. Alright, so I love you all. I see you in next video. Bye bye.